by AJ.
Standby is there. Okay.
AJ in place. Okay, so that's one. And if trips, do I get indication control room?
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
We are going very slow.
No, this one controlled by maybe the operator. He can select by time.
Like no flow there, it will stop, right?
Yes, yes. If no level inside the tank, no any
It will stop. Right?
exactly
It will
for
not
all
raise
pumps.
Mhm.
Yes, for all pumps.
If this pump trips, then a level will come into the picture. So see, I have seen this one. Now I am going here. If any one of these pump trips, so potential high level here, and no less flow there, right? So P60600 A B C D E F G I can put
30 A B C is one set.
pump 30
A B C
600, no?
600
600
A B C is one set.
oblique B oblique C trips.
Yeah. So there
What
is
is the consequence? Potential high level.
no low flow to the system.
High level in the tank, no? First BPS 600.
High level
600 and less flow
less flow
to downstream,
to downstream.
leading to process upset.
Upset, but
Delayed effect, process upset.
I don't
Delayed treatment.
affect the process. That's it.
Yeah. So we'll put 3, I will put C, and you have a standby pump.
Yeah. There is a standby. So it is.
Pump and a standby train.
No, standby. Don't write standby train. Only for.
No. Somebody was saying that if there is some problem, compartment, so this can take care. This was what we discussed in the beginning. 2 compartments.
Compartment is
Yeah.
there. So we will utilize one as a. You close this whole gate.
Okay.
Close this gate.
Yeah.
And put in maintenance.
Correct.
And other will be used. So
Okay.
that is the recommendation.
So now what are you suggesting? See, pump 600A, B, C,
Yeah.
one is standby, no problem.
Yeah.
But even if there is a major problem, then you can switch over to the other compartment, and there is no impact on the process, right?
No,
So
this is the common. This is the common.
Yeah.
We are talking about this and this now.
No, we are talking about this pump. If this pump 2 is running, one is standby.
Yeah.
If one trips, another will take.
Standby,